way root cause analysis, RCA, will help you. Root cause analysis, RCA, is an orderly approach connected to distinguish the genuine causes of a focused on issue or incident. RCA was first started to be utilized as a part of ventures and assembling plants. However, RCA techniques are as of now being utilized extensively in various zones, including mechanical, designing, non-building, medicinal, social insurance, instructive, and so on. An essential principle of RCA is to distinguish fundamental issues that expansion the shot of disappointments, instead of concentrating at first glance and killing the side effects. Henceforth, RCA uses the framework's way to deal with decide both dynamic and inactive mistakes. RCA is considered as a standout amongst the most comprehensively utilized review approaches for distinguishing well-being perils. Root cause analysis training, RCA Objectives. The main objective of using RCA is to evaluate problems or events to identify what really happened, how exactly it happened, why it happened, what are the reasons, how to fix it, how to avoid it from reoccurring. Benefits of root cause analysis training, RCA. RCA helps identifying the burdens and the root causes of problems in order to coming up with permanent solutions. It enables to establish a rational methodology to problem solving, by utilizing the available data. RCA explores the current and future needs for organizational improvement. RCA helps developing repeatable, step-by-step protocols, in which one process verifies the results of another. How, where RCA can be beneficial. Following is a list of events where RCA can be applied to resolve issues and offer. Preventive actions include major accidents, everyday incidents, minor near misses, human errors, maintenance problems, medical mistakes, productivity issues, manufacturing mistakes, environmental releases, risk analysis, risk mapping. What will you learn? Problem-solving methods. How to determine all the potential causes there. 5 Whys method. Failure modes effect analysis, FMEA. Pareto analysis method. Fault tree analysis, FTA. Bayesian inference method. Ishikawa, fishbone, diagram method. Cause mapping. Barrier analysis method. Change analysis method. Causal factor tree analysis method. Data gathering tools. Data analysis methods. Human-based causes identification. Root cause elimination action plan. Statistical methods. Developing corrective and preventive actions, CAPA. How to monitor the effectiveness and efficiency of the CAPA. 8D tool. Tonex root cause analysis instructional classes are connected to tackle a wide range of issues in different businesses. Find out about apparatuses and procedures on the best way to explore mistakes, deserts, disappointments, misfortunes, blackouts and occurrences in a wide assortment of ventures utilizing. Enroll to Tonex Root Cause Analysis Training, RCA. Visit tonex.com.